Need a little mom comfort after Thanksgiving is over? Well, this recipe will feel like a big hug. Today, Howard shows us how to make a mom's chicken soup in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
I hope you had a great Thanksgiving weekend. With today being Cyber Monday, I bet many of you have been up since the crack of dawn, taking advantage of all the online sales. I know this time of year can be a bit stressful, which is why I thought I'd share a recipe that always makes me feel good. It's a version of my mom's chicken soup, and it's sure to help soothe your soul after a busy few days. We start by adding some bone-in chicken to a large soup pot, along with some carrots, celery, onions, and a bit of salt and pepper. Now we fill the pot with some water and let it simmer until the chicken starts to fall off the bones. Once this happens, we add some chicken base or bouillon cubes to kick up the flavor. Then we remove the chicken and separate the meat from the bones and the skin, and back into the soup pot it goes. Of course, you can serve it with some cooked noodles, rice, or even matzo balls if you'd like. To get the recipe for Mom's Chicken Soup, all you need to do is check out our website. And since it makes a bunch, feel free to freeze any leftovers so you have it on hand whenever you feel a cold coming on. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found my mom's special way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at komnow.com. Now here's a look at the 4-state market prices.